Good afternoon, country people them, with glad plenty for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Strong number for today, since for morning time for today, country people them. Team way if you don't stay away, never don't ever happen. It pass for Douala here. As we all people they be turn up for see as we they be the put flag for up. We go take una go for inside governor office. Now for the way example it starts, we go enter to for different other governor office and even for chief own compound with this palaver it happened this morning time. We go talk to this afternoon palaver some tip boy where they cash it for that side so for Ndongo. Now for Boya side with the yes the boy now boy will he get for go school for that side for Piaka. But he left school, he decided for enter for inside chief school. So for inside Tori for this afternoon, we go tell you now. As we for that side for Bamenda, it be hot for Saturday. After we plenty people them, they be the only run. After we they hear say Kale, it happen for that side so for Bamenda. All this story then so plus even as we a sports a university game, it finished for that side so for Marwa. We go turn back for inside this afternoon just for service with big part of we a common for land for legendary hospitality for University of Boyam. A tell we say waiting say fire where you light inside your house in the heart for Losam. Fire where you light them inside your house in the heart for Losam. Now diff for babies or you want call it funge diffan lecturer for University for Boyan. Nice and we big part of for this afternoon. I return back some more time. Good afternoon, country people them. We're glad again for joining us for this side. Tori for this afternoon, we go begin now with the Palaba for waiting. Palaba for this flag, respect for flag, as well they put them for up, we pass for inside Douala here. For morning time, we be just talking, but last the image don't land. For that side, so for governor office, Kamamburu de Videdem, all man, even governor Sesef, Samuel Jodone Badibwam, ebide for day, for see as well they so flag for country, they go for up. Sabi say normal, nothing way it day for inside law, but they never ever respect them. Governor office, we go for that side, so for delegation, for youth and sports, even for inside delegation, all work people them, even mommy delegates, or they be come up for outside, time where they be one put flag for up. Now for them for see waiting, for see as well the flag they go for up and for sing national anthem. Now inside delegation that's for youth and sports, for inside Douala here where this palava too it happen. But Sabi say no now only for delegation for youth and sports where this flag palava happen, as we all money respect, time where they be put flag for up. We come up for delegation for youth and sports, we enter to for other workplace them, other office them when I'm gone even for that side so SDA office for Douala here. Now the same thing way it pass for them as we SDO set it be come out for outside as we flag. If they go for up, all man it must to respect as a flag it go for up. After the flag go for up, if it then a time for sing national anthem, then Ngando Sese for that side it pass. Even for court for justice for Douala here, flag if it dey for up, thing will no be ever they happen over. All people then for this week they respect this palava for flag. Minister self ministry for public works for Douala here na for them we will not be see flag as we turn up for before, but the flag in hand to for some corner. So now for talk say this big game this Monday where they talk say they must to respect flag. All governor office respect the commander in the proper. Sabi say even DO their own office and too they be respect the commander. Make we take una enter to for inside chief will be Tonton Rich was on one of the chief compound for inside Douala too. And he says and all people them inside his own place, all man he be come out now for see waiting for see as well they put that flag for up. Sabi say as well I don't talk if you don't be in a country fashion for Cameroon, but Cameroon if you don't throw him for one side. Today as well they so glad wait for big day for country where it go come for 2000 or it go come for 20th of May when a Sunday. All people them they be get for respect this flag. All people them they can join with the chief for that side for say make all them they come. After all man he turn back for a own Benin place. One day they want drink their mimbo, they drink their mimbo. So now so this big day for respect flag as well they put am for up, a pass for inside Douala here. But just for sabi say wetin, una go get better insight for this palaver for news wey e dey come for 6 and the one way e dey come for 8. Now so make we say we take we eye, we see wetin wey a pass for inside governor office, like say we say will be dey. Make we see am. Yes, so now so the palaver it happened for this morning time for all corner for inside Douala here for governor office, governor Sesep. It be show example, chief then said they show their own example, DO their office too it happened. So as I talk, plenty of the other one them as we pass for DO, we go actually bring them for now for some time. Wait till we pass for Douala 1, Douala 2, and even for Douala 3. All that one we go join them for bring them for now for some time when we turn back for year. We go left Palaba for a flag, for put them for up. We enter for Palaba for Kombi with Cameroon and Donald Trump a country. Saturday way pass, it be then a better day for Cameroon and Donald Trump a country for Palaba Kombi kind in them. You understand? So now aeroplane when it dey for up, it see all the way they do for ground. Whether it dey for toilet or aeroplane it dey look and so they see you. Now one aeroplane that they give now 2 aeroplane. You understand? Now Donald Trump a country give 2 aeroplane, and even Oga ambassador for United States, where they call it say Henry Ballerin and Joseph Betty Asomo for Cameroon side, all man be dede. General then self colonel all man e be dede for see this correct combi way dey between Cameroon and United States when Donald Trump a country. This aeroplane them according to way United States ambassador for Isa Cameroon e talk am. Now for fight Boko and for do waiting for them to foresee as well they go look up any other security palaver. So now book that way the 2 people they sign them for talk say the aeroplane. No now for do any kind of funny thing them for inside country. Now for say they use and spy people them. Look the whole Cameroon. For second an aeroplane this way, when you want spy you for inside a house, even to where they do for inside a room where they sleep, aeroplane they see all thing. So aeroplane it get all sense. They don't put all sense for his skin where you know if you use that anyhow. So United States ambassador, a talk for Joseph Betty Asomo, use the thing, no we now for do some kind of thing they may use them for 2 way we don't give you. Now me say waiting for look your country, sabi plenty place them for inside your country. And for do it again, for fight this Palaba Boko Haram and even any other security people the way they disturb security for inside country. So now the instruction that we Oga Henry Ballerin, when United States their own ambassador Makombi for inside Cameroon here Idua. So we go left Palaba Bobo, we enter for other serious thing them. Even as well the other one they be serious, make we enter for the different serious thing them for inside Tori. We learn for Garua first. Garua, na population become up for our side. Na population they become up for our side is all them. Now for seekers of man and woman way they die inside the house. They come into there, they don't die. Now then that inside the house, so that does say they lock. Now for them they come into the people there. According to Tori, we enter for we ear. They say they hear as well. Fights it be they happen overnight. landlady here as we fight it happen for inside the house. Only for them for wake up for morning time, thy body they dey na for ground. Yes, thy body they sleep straight. No man he no fit talk wetin wey e happen. No man he no sabi whether na one man he kill am or na two people they enter for kill am. Na only population he wan wake up for morning time for that side, so for Gadwa for inside the quarter wey get name like a Douala also. Now for day wey e dey so they meet up man and the woman, blood for ground wey all them they don't die. So now no man he no fit talk wait wey e pass before these two people then so they die, and they no sabi whether na fight or na say na tip man e be enter for inside the house. Police people they don't start for make investigate. Yes, police people they don't start for make investigate for inside this palava in the proper. So for inside other tori them wey we come out for inside Gadwa side there, we enter for different chapter. Make we take on go for that side they call am saying Dongo. Now for Boya side there, where some boy they call the boy name say it name Andrew. Now the boy that. Now Andrew that. Andrew they say na pikin for Biaka, but he don't deny say he know the go school. Say he best he one learn for Boya. Now for the thief gas bottle and for the thief people they are thinking them. So they picky for Sunday. Population show pepe. I say population not the boy so te time in no day. Yes. Now for that side for Ndongo for inside Boya, I say population show the boy pepe. Say they don't send him for school make he can learn book. Instead for him for concentrate for learn book, he don't instead go learn how for thief. Gas bottle, when Andrew pass for corner, gas bottle they disappear. If you no look how we are thinking, as well Andrew pass up here, they think to the disappear. Now police people then for Monaco they come. They can't help Andrew. Population we don't promise say they go finish with you one time. Yes, they don't promise say they will finish with you, say thief it don't too much. People therefore they overcry. Gas bottle the loss. Telephone tingly it the loss. All time, all thing the loss, all thing the loss. Last. Yesterday Sunday it been a bad day for Andrew. For that side so for Ndongo quarter. For inside Boya. But he get lucky. Say as well the cash the one naki so te finish with you. One time. Police people them. I say police people them from Monaco police station. I know sabi how they take here. Say they so they the inactive man for some side. Them people they land for they buy Andrew case. Now so they can carry Andrew. See, fine boy. Where he be get for the go in school for be doctor or for be waiting. If for come out, if for learn the book so they come out, but you know if you for learn book, he decides one thief in a gas bottle. And for thief a tingly, then you go sell them for 5,000. Where the money go finish, na. You turn back again for thief. So Andrew there for Monaco police station. I show the talk for this side. We go take una for some school. Na 7 kilometers. If for people there they sabi West region fine. Or before that one we talk this Mbanga people then yes. This Mbanga peoples na boy they get 15 to 18 years. You see that card no, na banga there on top. They don't make them carry the banga fine for up. These boy they don't the worry population for Biamasi and their head get this. They should not have for inside do my house. See, make they carry the banga, you don't see they leave. Now in that for inside that cat here and so they throw them for ground. They say the boy their own work, 14 to 18-year-old boy there. And the woman, now be the keep them for us. It's a bit what they do. Now their own head get this. Yes, now their head get that. Then now gendarme they come, he the men that say no sabi. Young boy them, their own work now for the take banger. As well they cash for them so they go now so to population for Biamasi quarter for Yawinde. They say well Papa God thank you. Now thank you. Now so too we enter for service for gendarme place. If you want call gendarme man 113, one time they go land. Now for you they take order call them 24. I say you just call them talk say they na for Bonakawa. One time they the same people them for day say this so and so place of Bonakawa go catch them. So the boy they the small banger they be don't worry people them for Biamasi quarter fine. So last as well they don't catch them. All man in the prayer say make them not left them again. For second say Usabi Awe Cameroon day. Today one man they go catch person with the small banger. Tomorrow you will see back again for outside. Connection for inside country. You will not get connection, you go only die. And the woman says it will get harm for inside that palabao. Nobody na say that boy they do all that thing they no be sabi. He sabi na they look all that boy then keep that boy then for inside as they the smoke banger. When they finish smoke they don't high. They get hot. They go tell people they are thing there for outside. We go take una go for place where they call am say Fed Batanga. Fed Batanga. Yes. See school. Now government school that. Now school where they don't let the school. School no dey again for themselves. Now school that. School no even dey again for day. Fed Batanga na some place, some village. E dey na 7 kilometers where you come up for Bazoo. Now from day for West Region. See class them. Now class for school dey so normal they be figure for fix the school make pikin dey enter back for day. School e no dey happen. No school no dey happen for this side. For Sika say class they don't abandon class. They don't left class. Now inside classroom that see class where pikin dey get for learn book. And they say teacher sef no dey for the school. Population for them no get light. Roads e no dey. Yes, roads e no dey. School no dey. Teacher no dey. Pikin dey no dey for learn book. See the kind classroom. Government primary school. Fed Batanga. Yes. Now for inside Nde. Bazoo. 7 kilometers. Where you want to go for that side. Now the thing, now the true photo this. For this school. Better than this school. Again a blockhouse. So one day they don't even get the blockhouse. But they also go school. They want get blockhouse. They don't let them. Early them for that side. They don't let them. They don't go ask school. They don't give them. They don't make them. They don't let them. Pikin they no get a place for learn. Teacher themselves they know the day. And even light e know the day. Road for day e know the day. So the village here back. Fed Batanga. Now from day for that side. So for West Region for Cameroon. We go left that one. We go for Bamenda. Saturday we pass for Bamenda. I hear say. It make people them Tokyo. All man for market in the Tokyo. It run. Even Pikins, they did run. All man the hurry now for go for us. For Sika say they hear say Kale they happen. Bamenda for Saturday we be na other kind. I say all people for Bamenda na Tokyo. You will no get identity card. They pick you put them for inside. Even you will get identity card. They put you pick out back there. When they reach your station, they will ask you whether you get identity card or not. See, all the people they so they come on the market na Tokyo. They be the Tokyo there. They say they hear say Kale they come. They hear say Kale say all man they run the look like back. No man no be the run. He want see small picking them. All man wey dey market. It be the run. Now for Bamenda that for Saturday. Saturday for Bamenda be wobo. All people they as well they hear say Kamambulu they come. Kale. Whether you hold identity card they no hold am. All man na Tokyo. It be the all man they go enter for us. The one they come up market see small picking them. All man be the worker na quick. For Sika say they no want to say make Kale come to them. For Sika say the Kale, whether you hold identity, you know hold am, it is also take you. So nothing that way pass for Bamenda. It be then for Saturday. Mongo division. Make we talk this chapter again tomorrow. We'll close the chapter for today. If light you know so come, we go turn back again for talker. Some place they dey for inside Mongo. Loom. Now loom their own feeder, they don't zinc don't come out. Now wait to come out that zinc. Strong breeze plus rain. Zinc for school, zinc for people their house, breeze it come out. Pikins they learn now for under sun. Because that one in the house. Pour the say jengu with the faller. They pour the phone jengu so the time no day. I say they pour the phone jengu, time no day. See the one. They want so man make mistakes so enter for day, he carry it around for one side. See the other pour from top my house. The one light be day, he for chakara. Just for Sika strong breeze where he pass for Mongo division where people they hear bad. All kind of pour them. The only thing with the deep pour them I say, oh Asian cash. See even transform and say throw for ground. He throw for ground with the light for day. So he make the whole place he just be na for night. Place in the black na black. All the light so you will not get generator forget. They be suffer for Sika strong breeze will pass. Even for people their own farm say stick them they just tumbusa. Popo this for Njombe. For inside that farm now, that popo farm for Njombe. Sabi say na that side plenty popo dey. Popo they say as your breeze pass, all man is say I bow down for you breeze. All man is sleep for ground. So it means say the breeze will pass, it cause trouble for all corner. It no left no one side. Even school there way will show you na school. See school is zinc. It carry all things so throw for one side. All things throw for one side. Picking the learn book for morning time. When they go for us, they no fit make assignment. They no fit do homework with teacher don't give them. Teacher they say they no fit mark picking their book way, they don't give them exam. See even fee for loom, all thing it come up for outside. So now so the breeze where he passed for inside Dualaye for Mongo division. He walk. Yes, he walk. People they hear back so now. Light, they pull them, Jengu, Popo, they bow down. School pickings, they learn only for some time. For evening time, they is nan. So now the picture that for some plenty quarter them for inside Mongo division. After we rain, it fall for day. Make we hear now some people them for Mongo. They talk for we.
I don't allow 1 week. No, now the rain will fall that week. Them say the rain don't fall. They don't pull them. They don't fall more than 6. So net product them say they can't fix them. But we don't wait so thing that 1 week we never get light. And say with the sofa family they so or family kid they know what teach. No way no day. Yes, that rain too, that breeze too. You don't carry zinc them go through for different place. More than 10, 15 hours. You don't destroy the zinc them. And so we don't know how we will do. Yes, population that is so far. You know, say for this time where till the strong, where the metro is in the fall, we will do our picky that go school. All things they will so far.
Yes, since last week Tuesday, we don't get light from Bangaye, and then day 4 yesterday again, serious wind pass again. We make our way up to the down. Yes, the wind really removed roof them from so many houses there. So many people in the house where they don't get a roof for their houses. They try to maintain them back. Yes, the light they affect so many people there because economic operators the way they sell both fishes, the one the way they shave, the one the way they use both the current for do so many activities right now. So for getting to these 2 weeks now, they be paralyzed. So nothing to go on well. And the whole Bangade in darkness from here right up to Tangi, right down to somewhere Mudoka, right down to Payas. We don't have.
So, con the people them, we go enter for inside Palava politics now, for talk say for that side for Yawinde 3. CPDM peoples, they don't cross enter for different sides. Yes. CPDM peoples, for Yawinde side, they don't cross enter for inside. SDF, their own party, not than that. Not all than that. Now the head boy this, he don't CPDM close. He say he don't tire all the kind thing with the pass for CPDM. Since you're there for CPDM, no nothing never change for your life. So he talks say better make you join an SDF, whether SDF will change your life. Yes, he glad for where the green for SDF, so the time no day. Then all the ones so sabi say na vex for the second thing when it don't happen. After they finish put it close, he talks say make we try for see something. He say see the my face, Nadine, see the my face. See your face. Then see the other my own face. How you see him? The fever, no? All them to the fever. The usually like saying, die wake up them. Yes. See how they don't throw CPDM close now for ground. See SDF, see the man, see OC, and see the my face. They just look, they just fever na fever. You understand? So instead of for Sika White to that way, he enter for SDF. So now for talk say SDF for Yawinde 3, you don't add some other people them for inside way, all them. Now jump carpet, see how they don't keep CPDM close now for empty ground. They just match and pass. Now it's they just match the team pass like say, see CPDM close for ground like say, na piki way no get a person way the local. So SDF people them for Yawinde they glad small. Say CPDM people they don't enter too for inside their own site. We go take una go for Queen Elisa country. The image they go make so they go shake. They may just understand. I'm at the talk the story. The one that Nigeria people them for United Kingdom. It means say for Queen Elisa country. They go right for Sawe President Buhari Day. They talk say he must to turn back for a country. Yes. Now Nigeria people like that where they go for Queen Elisa country. They enter for Sawe President Buhari. Those sabi say the Parliament go for Queen Elisa country for Sika is sick. For his skin way no define. So the country people that say for that side meet up for the house where she done. They also make it turn back for country. Say whoa shame. They really tell say make Buhari turn back. Now replace that Buhari this day. Make that my hand turn up small straight no more sick and Nigeria they flag for that side. So if you then a big confusion for inside Queen Elisa country. Yes, big this thing now they pretend that they carry. They say make Buhari turn back for us. Say he don't too much. Say make turn back for us. Say they don't tire it. So now the thing that the Nigeria people then for that side for Queen Elisa country they do it. as well their president come. They talk say make better their president turn back. So we hear say Oga Buhari he turn back for Nigeria by force before the day say we be talk say he get for turn back for us. So he turn back for security people the way they worry place. So now he make sure he come out for your Queen Elizabeth country. So now why that way the team be over shake, the man be the over dance. As well he said be the holla. So they make whoa. They sort of the man last turning back for inside this side. So now so we see country for this half time, but before that one more enter for Palava for sports. We don't talk for now. Say university game for that side, so from Gaundere Marua. A finish for Friday. Yes, university game for that side for Marua finish for Friday, and it be then at the last game for this Ngando for that side, so for inside Marua. As well, I talk for now, Institute for Youth and Sport, National Institute for Youth and Sport for that side, so for Yawindere, they call and say INGS. Now then come up for number 1 place. They knock Douala University, put them for number 3 place for inside classification. Yawinde one a come now for number 2 place for inside this Palava. Sabi say inside the same chapter, you get university necessary, they make them all people they glad. CUIB. Kali University for that side for Boya. The first time they ever win gold Musanga for inside university game. They don't enter for all the time. They don't ever win Musanga first time. Now Musanga they win for table tennis. And Sabi say na Chang. It go happen university game for 2019. Now the number 22 edition that for that university game. Dambasese will be there the weekend. Sabi say Cotton Sport Nak for 2 North. Column in a 1 New Stars 2. Yafut North. Young Sport Academy 3. Will be get Bambutus North. Eglo Royal 1. Union North. Stadena 3. Aiding Sport. It get Ameni 2. Then Astre 1. Apejes 3. Feature North. UMS North. Dragon North. Unisport North. Ice Fortuna 1. Sabise Cotton Sport, it don't remain for number 1 place with 37 points. Then UMS, it there for number 2 place, 33 points. Fovu, 32 points for number 3 place. Last Coco team, Nasoso Egle with 13 points. Now, I be talk for now say for the university game, it be then a big lad for people them for Boya side day, particularly people that ready day for university for Catholic people them for Boyam. It be then a big lad with the principal or the president for the university, Reverend Father George Nkeze, and a boy them now all than that, so they be go for Maruam. It be then a big lad for them for Sika say be now the first time where they win gold medal for inside university game. They don't attend university game, it don't be a number 4 times this or 3 if you don't make mistake. Where it is so they did so now the first time this so they win correct Musanga, and now for table tennis where the boy them for Catholic University they win their Musanga so for that side. So we've been a big glad with them and even their president Reverend Father George Nkeze for that side, so for university, Catholic University for Boya. For some time, we go bring on that small sweet ambience where they take enter for Boya after we they turn back for that side, so for Marua. So, country people then, now so we see country for this afternoon, for this side, so for Equinox Tori House. We want to say big thank you for all now on those she done for before television, for Sika small team. We no go fit turn back for newspaper this afternoon, but it go be for morning time tomorrow. If you don't turn table for chop, with the talk say chop fine, bon appetit, on a whole tight.